Good morning. So, class, today we will be starting from page number 14. Yesterday we have done till Windows Mobile 7. Now we will start with Bada OS. Now, Bada is a mobile operating system designed for smartphones and tablets, first realized by Samsung Electronics in 2010. This was first released by Samsung Electronics and this is used in smartphones and tablets. The word Bada originated from a Korean word that means ocean or sea. This word Bada is originated from where? A Korean word that means ocean or sea. Then the last one is Symbian. Symbian platform is based on memory, economy and high program speed. Now this is a platform where it is based on the memory, economy means the money and the high program speed of the computers or the mobile phones. So till now we have studied about all these. These are the names, the logos and the descriptions of the mobile devices operating system. First was iOS, second is Android OS, third is BlackBerry OS, next is Windows Mobile 7, the next is Bada OS and the last is the Symbian. Now come to the next page, that is page number 15. Operating support system. An operating support system OSS is a group of computer program or an IT system used by communication services providers for monitoring, controlling, analyzing and managing a computer or telephone network system. Now what is an operating support system? You need to underline whatever I have underlined. The whole paragraph you have to underline because this is most important one. Again I am repeating, an operating system support system is a group of computer programs. Many computer programs are grouped in this. An IT system used by communication services providers for monitoring, controlling, analyzing and managing a computer or telephone network. We have different kinds of telephone networks. So this helps to monitor it, so that we can see it. Then controlling, analyzing and managing it. It is specifically dedicated to telecommunication services providers and mainly used for supporting network. It is why it is used. It is used mainly in supporting the networks and it is used by telecommunication services providers. Then for supporting network, processes to maintain network inventory, configure network component, provision services and manage faults. Now again this is also used to process to maintain network inventory, configure network components and provision services and manage faults. What it is done? That to maintain the network, then some configurations are there in the network that it sees, and again the provision services to manage the faults. Faults means which are things which are not correcting in the system. So it does this. Who does this? Operating support system. Now come to the next one, language processor. Computer understands only one language, that is a machine language. But it is difficult for humans to understand machine language and write program using it. Now, it is difficult for humans to understand the machine language. All of us doesn't understand the machine language. Language processor or translators is a software that is responsible for converting programs written in a programming language to machine language. Now, what is this language processor is doing? Translator, it is a processor or a translator, is a software that is responsible for converting programs written in programming language to machine language. So there are kinds of programming languages and machine languages which you will be studying further in the next class. So these are the programming languages which convert into the machine language. Generally, there are three types of translators: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. What are those three? Is assembler, compiler, and interpreter. First is assembler. You have to learn. This is the most important one. Assembler converts a program written in assembly level language into machine level language, that is assembly code into machine code. Now, what is assembler doing? Assembler converts a program, whatever we have given, it converts program written in assembly language to the machine language which the computer can understand. That is called the machine language. That is, assembly code is converted into machine code. In easy language we can say this. Compiler. Compiler translates the whole program completely in a single operation. A program written in high-level language is converted directly into machine-level language. Now, what is the compiler doing? Compiler translates the whole program in a single operation. It only assembler is doing a single program, but it does the whole program is converted into a single operation. A program written in high-level language is converted directly into the machine-level language. Here, the whole thing is compiled in a single operation, and the program written in high-level language is converted directly into machine-level language. Here is the one diagram is given. Source code, which means that is high-level language. The compiler which will convert that thing into the machine level language. So this is how a compiler works. Now the last one, interpreter. Interpreter translates a program in a step-by-step process. This is a slow process and consumes high memory, as the interpreter also executes the correct code along with reporting the errors. Now, what is interpreter doing? Interpreter translates a program step by step. Now, one by one, like steps, we are doing step 1, step 2, step 3. So, it converts step by step the process. This is a slow process. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, like this we are doing. So, step-by-step process and consumes high memory, means the memory is consumed. Here it needs a bigger memory, as the interpreter also executes the correct code along with the reporting errors. It is also correcting the corrected code and with the reporting errors also. If someone has given errors, that errors will also rectified by the interpreter. So these are the three things: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Assemble is doing what? Only one program is converted from high level language to lower language to machine level language. Compiler is doing what? The whole program is converted from high level to machine level. And interpreter is doing into stepwise direction. Stepwise direction with rectifying the errors also. So today we will be doing till errors. For tomorrow we will be starting from device drivers. Till then, thank you.